Can't hear you.
Hey, what's up, man?
God damn it. Give me a second.
No worries.
Christ. Uh, uh, audio, audio. Okay, there you go. Hey, man.
Hey, what's up?
Not much. Waiting for these first 5 minutes.
Yeah, me too. First 30 minutes today. I'm gonna try to stay hard on that rule today. Um,
No trading on the first 30 minutes?
yeah, I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock. Not because I think I trade bad at 9:30, but again, I wanna observe. I wanna get as much data as I can about how the market's acting today.
Yeah. So far, it's quite active. I have to keep my bigger stop loss today.
Yeah, yesterday I was getting blown out on huge losers. Um, it's tough. It's tough to stay tight in a market like this.
This move right here were 903 to 908, like 4 points in less than a second. So
Yeah, that's insane.
you have to have bigger stop losses.
I also noticed yesterday that um, I've been letting price come to my stop more often, which I'm not a huge fan of. I ideally would like to close trades before they get to my stop, um,
Yeah, definitely.
and I think there's a lot of psychological stuff going on there, which is something I'm gonna have to look into.
What I need to do today is have better entries, especially in the first part of the day where yesterday I lost money
Yeah,
because I didn't, I was too early on the trades because I didn't adapt to the volatility. I
yeah,
need to be, also I traded a lot, I wanted to trade a lot yesterday. Today I'm gonna be more conservative. I'm not gonna push as hard.
sure, yeah.
Took a nice 40 long there, but I should have held it open. I would have gotten 10. That's another mistake that I did yesterday.
Cutting trades too soon.
Yeah, usually usually when I do that, I cut it at 2 ticks, but because of the volatility, I'm cutting it at 4.
Yeah,
But there was no point in me doing that. It went immediately in my favor, and it would have gotten all the way up to
sure,
my big target. So I just need to be, but I also don't want to push it today. I want to just kind of scalp
yeah.
and have a solid session. So we'll see. Maybe maybe I'll just take Cortex scalps today. I don't know.
Yeah, one thing I need to overcome is the psychology of visually being able to see my stop loss. Um,
Uh,
I think in the past I've blacked it out, like I don't want to see my stop loss, um,
Hey,
and I might have to
Yuki's
return to
here.
that.
Hello.
hello,
Hey,
Chim.
what's up, Yuki?
What's up?
Uh, Not much, and you?
Ready to do it all over again today?
Yep.
Every day? Ah, I'll just take it slow today. I don't want to push like yesterday. Took one trade, it was a winner. Now I'm kind of watching the price action. You said you almost blew up yesterday, Chronic?
Yeah, it got ugly, man. I I finished my session and I switched to paper. I switched to sim because I wanted to do some tick drills. And then I exported my trades, which meant that I had to switch back to live.
Uh,
And I didn't realize that. I didn't realize I switched back to live.
oh dear.
So I started placing really aggressive drill trades, not realizing I was live. Which is okay. That's a mistake, and I'm fine with making mistakes. But
I've done that
what's
mistake in the past.
what's not acceptable is the fact that when I realized it, I started revenge trading. So I tried to get back to where I was, and I did, which is even worse. I know you and me have had this conversation a million times before, where it's just reinforcing bad habits.
Yeah.
When you try to do something bad and it works, and that's what happened yesterday. So I've just got to be extra cognizant of that today. I did do my hypnosis today. I'm gonna start tracking that, just because I need that structure, and I think a mistake like yesterday could have been avoided if I had more structure. Just like routines and paying attention to what I'm
Don't you
doing.
have like a different background for the not simulated DOM? Don't you have that? Like for the, I think in Shira you can, right? I remember I was on time I had one color, on live I had another color.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. If that's something I can do, I will absolutely change that. That's a good idea. Right now, the only difference is this little bar that I have in the top right corner of my screen.
Yeah, the
Um,
blue bar. I
yeah,
know that.
which is it's sneaky.
Easy to miss.
Yeah. So I think for today, I'm going to I'm going to black out my stop loss because I don't want to see it.
Oh, my platform just crashed.
Of course.
Already?
The guy who coded it could have done better.
Yeah, let's blame him.
Yeah, it's his fault. I'm trading the dream right now. I'm not coding the dream, okay? Sometimes it crashes.
So I've got my stop loss is blacked out, so I won't see it, and it's set to 10 ticks. And my goal today is to not take any 10 tick losses. Obviously.
You just took an 8-tick loss, unfortunately.
Yeah, I took a couple of those yesterday. They were
Less than 1 second.
Yep. It's easy. I've even considered setting it to something like 20 ticks, but I think the problem I might run into is that Apex looks at your stop losses historically when you request payout. And if they see that my stop loss is 20 ticks, they might have a reason to deny me payout.
Why do you even trade if that's bootleg proper?
I didn't want to, honestly. I've been trading through Take Profit Trader, which is much more reputable in my
Yeah.
opinion. But last month, my Take Profit Trader rolled over, I had to cancel the account just because it was a negative balance, and I thought, what's the point of renewing if it's negative? And in order to start a new account, it would cost me $100,
Oh the hell.
which is pricey, but you get what you pay for. You know, I don't mind paying that much. But
Well, I mean, I paid $19 a month
yeah, it's quite the difference.
for my top.
So I figured I'll just go with Apex for a month and I'll see how it goes. And then
Okay,
sure
okay.
enough, I've had like the best fucking run of my life on Apex. So, but I know a lot of guys who do get paid out by them a lot. Their fucking rules, man. They change their rules all the time. So you kind of have to jump through their hoops in order to get paid by them.
Yeah.
But they seem pretty liquid. Like, they deny payouts to those people who fucking rack up like
Make
six
sure you
figures.
check about what they call like micro scalping or super scalping if it's allowed, because that's what we do.
Yeah, and the last time I checked, I'm pretty sure their rule was just like your average hold time cannot be less than 5 seconds or
Oh,
something
okay.
like that.
And yours is bigger.
Yeah, my average hold time I think is like 25 seconds or something like that. I
Okay.
do tend to hold a lot more than most people in this Discord.
Did they change the sounds for Discord?
Yeah, they changed it.
Because oh,
I think I thought that it was like for Halloween, but because it's the
that's
same
nice.
it's the same sound from Halloween, but it's not Halloween anymore, so I don't know.
Okay. It's not the same. In Halloween was spooky, very spooky.
The sound tone was super high though.
Yeah.
I think I went all over the place with too many trade ideas, so I will stick to only mean reversion today.
Yeah.
Smart idea. I think it's been reversing a lot right now.
Yeah,
If we
it's
took back
always
that whole move,
it's always mean reversion.
yesterday was more. But yesterday was more trending, in my opinion. Today is a bit more mean reversion. But
Yeah, but even if it's trending, I can still see some mean reversion trades, so
oh yeah, sure.
I'll try this shit out. And I also add so much tag.
Damn it. Try to enter long and couldn't get it. You look at that boom immediately. Vortex reclaim. A break even. God damn it. There you go. Need to be more patient. Jesus.
like stocks are agreeing with this sell-off right now. With the exception of Microsoft. I think Microsoft is maintaining a range right now.
I kind of want to trade it.
Yeah, it is a mid-roll of a range right now.
Yep.
Nvidia's curling up. It looks like it might want to reclaim. Amazon is struggling. And then Microsoft might be mid-rolling to the upside here. It's tough to say.
Short there, nice 5 ticks.
Amazon just failed. Just made a new low of day. Microsoft testing bottom range. Could get one more capitulation to the downside here. Double bottom at 250.
Not getting close to 900. Yeah, let's see if they bounce it from 900. They don't. Maybe they do.
Testing range lows. Do we have reclaim below us? Yeah, got a pretty hefty reclaim there.
They wanted to go for the 900 bounce, but it didn't get there. Jesus, is it okay? I'll watch for a while. It's too fast. Like it does these movements where it kind of disappears and appears in another place in the screen.
Yeah, yeah, it's
So
like
I'm just gonna
skipping.
chill. I'm up, what, 5 ticks? Gonna chill for at least 10 o'clock.
My bad, didn't check if we had news.
Oh, Yuki, by the way, you should be able to import your trades in the journal.
Yeah, I saw that. I check it later, earlier in the day. Yeah, we do have something at 10 even, and that's it.
Yeah, it's getting very skippy, very ready. I don't want to trade this, even though I want to trade this because of FOMO. Don't want to. I'm not gonna trade it. I'll go get a glass of water, guys. I'll be right back.
Yep.
Okay.
Why is there a green line here? Oh, because we're at the top of range. Fuck, that happened fast. Jesus. You look away from 1 second and we fucking move 10, 15 points. Alright, we're outside the range again. Let's see if we're gonna test highs or if we're just fucking range expanding at this point. Kind of leaning towards the latter. That was a nice blowout right there. 1650.
Did you take it?
No, I was tempted to get long at 1350, but we're still not quite 10 o'clock yet, so I
I
figured
was,
I'd wait.
yeah, thinking the same thing, but I'm not trading right now. Yuki, you said there's news at 10, right?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna
Okay.
move much in the market, but I don't know. Still,
Yeah, I think it's like
still gonna wait.
Michigan consumer fucking car sales or whatever the fuck. But with this volatility, fucking anything can move it. Powell could sneeze and we'd fucking drop 50 points.
Just play Baos now.
Kind of want to fade the bottom of this micro range, but I'm just going to sit on my hands a little longer. I'd probably be looking to get short right here. 14 maybe, 1375. Looking for a range break, some reclaim to the downside. Yeah, that looks good. Gotta be quick. They like to come back on you.
You're looking at it, it's not so bad taking just 4 ticks because it comes back so much today.
Yeah.
You know, it goes like 10 ticks and then retrace it. We retrace it and
Instantly, yeah.
it's fine. Yeah, yeah.
Kind of looks like it's range expanding up here. rolling flat at 11 there. I might want to fade that.
Yeah, it's getting spready. I think the news might move it.
Yeah. Move it enough anyways. Four tick spread, man. Fuck.
Yeah,
There you go.
know. And my platform crashed again. God damn it.
Yeah, I'm gonna let this fucking news cool off a bit before I take any trades. I'm not crazy about going short here because I think we did just do a liquidity run.
So long.
I'm also not crazy about going long either. I'm just gonna sit on my hands for a bit.
Be right back.
Yep.
Go to the bathroom.
Yeah, I should probably go take a piss too before I start placing trades. I'll be right back.
Yep.
Okay, let's see what's happening here.
Alright, I'm back. This looks like we swiped range highs. It looks like there's a lot of liquidity down there below 900.
Nice.
Might take a shimmy back short here. I'll try 1475. Filled. It's coming back on me. Yeah, I took a loss there. 6 tick loss. Gotta pay attention to what stocks are doing. Stocks are like testing range highs too. Amazon looks like it's breaking out almost. Which could mean continuation on this move. So I'm just gonna have to wait before I think about any shorts. A little bit of reclaim above us here. Looking like a pretty sustained move. Yeah, it definitely looks like we're range expanding. I'm gonna redraw my my trend lines to reflect that, or my ranges. Nice look, the pitch of the Tory move. I'm tempted to go long here, but I think we're overextended. We just printed a huge reclaim below us. And all the stocks have reclaimed there
I'm having
too.
problems with data. I'm gonna log off from Discord. I think it's using. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, no worries.
Like it's my price is lagging right now. I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay.
Top tick there.
Oh, fuck.
That was a
No.
nasty top tick. We'll try a shimmy back short here. Short 26.25. I'll take that off. Market order. 7 tick win. Could have held that way longer though. Stocks still have a lot of reclaim below them, and I think I am pretty confident being short biased today. I'll take a shimmy back here if it'll give it to me. Short 21. Oof, it's coming back on me. I cut it there. 5 tick loss. Man, it moves quick like that. I gotta be careful with those shimmy back entries. Micro range up here. I kind of want to see it breach highs before I go short again. Yeah, I'll take that. Touch no fill. Filled. It's got to merc quick, man. It's upward compressing right now. Want 18 out of this, preferably. Fuck, got stopped out. top ticked me. Fuck, man. That's frustrating. It
Same
literally top
stuff.
ticked my stop. That one did piss me off a little bit, so I'm going to sit on my hands for a bit. Do some breathing exercises. Yeah, and then it just proceeds to give me a huge move, exactly what I wanted. Fuck. That's frustrating.
I have so much tags. I'm switching so many things to do.
Yeah, I know. I'm only doing my emotional tags in live time right now because I feel like it's. If I sit here and tag every trade, it's gonna take too long.
Um,
The only ones I need are emotional tags. I gotta tag those in live time. Damn, that would have been a great long right there. Shit. That's a fucking great setup, too. I'm actually going to screenshot that one, try to playbook it for later. Actually, Like this bottom range break. Too slow. I would have liked 3150, 3175 on that. See if we can get a pullback on this range. It's not going to give it to me. Fuck. Yeah, I think my confidence is shot after missing that big trade earlier. I'm having trouble pulling the trigger. And I just gotta be careful that doesn't lead to any FOMO or anything. I kind of want to fade this range break to the bottom. I'm going to try 32 short. Filled 32 short. Came back against me, man. I gotta be careful here. It looks like stocks are struggling up here with this micro range. Yeah. Break of range there. I'll try a shimmy back, 3150. I'll let it breathe, but it's gotta work quick. Fuck, man. Yeah, that's my day right there. Shit. Shorting the bottom of a micro range, man. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call it here.
You hit max drawdown?
Not quite max drawdown, but I'm fucking, what, 6 trades in right now, and I'm at a 0% win rate.
Yeah, it's happened to me so many times this week. Happens, man.
Yeah, it's a shitty way to end the week and arguably the month, because I'm not sure there'll be any good trading days next week. But that's okay. As long as my account is still intact. Ouch.
Ah, fuck. I was tagging. I think I missed my my train. Yeah, I missed it. Ah, come on. Like, I have so many damn things to do. He keeps expanding though. Maybe I have some time to get in again.
then gonna do some tick drills, and yes, I have confirmed I am on fucking sim this time.
Lesson learned.
Hi, darling. I'm just gonna step away for a minute, make a cup of coffee, but I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hey guys, I gotta run. I'm break even on the day. I'll catch you later.
Okay. See you.
Yep, bye bye.
Alright, I'm back. How are you doing, Yuki?
Break even for the moment. I catch some really good trade and some trade I missed. My last trade was a missed TP.
Yeah,
So
fucking hear you there.
that's my worst tag on management. I can't be missing TP.
Yeah, I'm gonna start jumping into some review here. Alright, first trade was at 10:03. I actually think that was a pretty good trade. No, it wasn't, because it comes back against me. But I do think it was justifiable. Like, I could see that this was a clear failure of the top of the range in like a mid-roll almost when I entered. But I should have waited for this clear failure. Even if it was a losing trade, I think I was just a little too early on it. So I'll give that one a yellow. Where were we on the day? Just switch this off. Show fills. First trade. Alright, so first trade was mid on the medium time frame. Higher time frame, I'm gonna say none, because I just don't think there's a range on the larger time frame. So I'll do none, mid, and then against for low time frame. Slip, I do think I had slip favor at the time of entering. And I think execution, I mean, I was trying to be conservative here. It looks like an aggressive trade in hindsight, but I was trying to be conservative for the most part. And then mid RTH. Mistakes, I do think I was a little impulsive there. Alright, trade to 10:07. This one was a pretty good trade. It worked pretty well for me. Could have held it longer though. I should start keeping track of execution. I need execution trades. So this one was good. It's way up here, so I had a mean favor on the medium. Favor on medium, and I think mean mid on the small. Slip favor, yeah, I had slip favor on that. And I was being pretty conservative. Short high of day. No mistakes. 10:08. This is where shit gets messy. So again, I'm shorting the bottom of a range. It just doesn't look good. Yuki, I apologize if I'm distracting you, buddy.
No, no, you're not. You're not alright. I get used to your voice in background. It's like a hypnotic track almost.
That's funny. Well, good. It's better than the opposite, I suppose. This one was a red trade because I do not like shorting the bottom of a range, and I did that a few times today. None, medium time frame. I'm gonna go favor. Medium favor and slow time from against. Right, yeah, shorting the bottom of a micro range. Slip. I don't think I had slip favor on this either. I was being super aggressive. Yeah, I think that the problem I'm facing is that I'm so used to trading a low volatility market that I'm waiting for like 3 or 4 ticks of slip. But in this market, man, it's gotta be like 10 ticks of fucking slip in order to get slip favor. So I'm gonna do slip against for that one. I was being very aggressive here. And I think I'm still short high of day, technically. No, maybe not. We're not quite at high of day at that point. Are we? That's, yeah, 9:39. No, so I'm going to do mid. Mid RTH. I want to say impulsive, but I really don't think I was impulsive here. I was just being aggressive. And I shouldn't have been aggressive. But that's not necessarily me being impulsive. That's just me having a bad read. So I will change my read to confused. Alright, 10:08. Oh, is this not the 10:08 trade? Oh, so what trade did I just tag? Oh, 10:08:59, that's why. Oh man, this is such a good setup. Fuck, man, that's a bummer. So I'll give this one a green rating because it really is picture perfect, man. We get a top tick there, it comes down, and even I think I moved my stop up too much, man. Like, I gotta let these fucking trades breathe in this market. I think in fucking VIX 12, it's okay to move my stop up to fucking 4 ticks, but in VIX 25, you know, I gotta let that shit breathe, man. If I had a wider stop on this trade, it would have been the trade of the day. I would have fucking made out like a bandit. I think this was my make or break. I fumbled this fucking trade and it just ruined the rest of my session. Oh, fuck. It's hard to watch. Literally get top ticked on it. Fuck, man. Great fucking setup. This was also a short, so I'll do mean favor. Low time frame mean favor. I had a slip favor on it. I was being pretty conservative because I fucking moved my stop up that much. Mid RTH and no mistakes, although management could have been better, but I'm not tracking management right now, and I think my market read was pretty clear on that. Fuck, man, that's disappointing. This one did put me on tilt, so I'm going to mark it as tilt so that I can track these as trades that put me on tilt. And then I'll change this one down to maybe. 10:16. So I did take a like a 5-minute break after that because I was clearly on fucking tilt. I think if I was trading like a degenerate, I would have kept placing trades there, trying to FOMO chase that move, and I'm glad I didn't. So as much as I hate being fucking down 600 on the day, I think I traded really well for a losing day. So I'm not going to beat myself up too much for being down that much, especially since, like, in a low VIX environment, I would want my max drawdown to be like 300-400. But in high VIX, like, I am willing to put a little bit more risk on the fucking table. Again, I'm shorting the bottom of a range, man. That was what was killing me today. Shorting the bottom of a range. Which, I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to make that red, because there are times where you need to short the bottom of a range. Like, Fat Cat said his most profitable tags are mean against. And I feel like sometimes you just gotta fucking get in, man. We had this huge reclaim underneath us. We breached the top of this range and then failed, so we top ticked. And this is high of day too, so I could set up for top tick high of day and then flush back down. Let's see if I can get a higher time frame example. So if we cut off the right side of the screen, I'm placing a trade right here. The thought is that we come up, we breach high of day and then range, and come back down. However, I think in hindsight, like, I do have a setup, a pretty profitable setup that involves breach high of day, range, acceptance, and then go higher. And I didn't see that at the time, and that's exactly what we fucking did. We ranged, accepted, and now we're breaking the fuck out. But I had this huge reclaim on my backside, and I was trying to capture that reclaim. Long story short, I was short biased today. I don't think I took a single long trade, which is a problem. Because we do have this massive CPI reclaim above us, so I can't just come into a red day and assume short. I think that was a misstep on my part today. I could see why I was short biased today, but I don't think I should have been. I should have been much more open to the idea of reclaiming upwards. I think my read on this trade was bad, but I think the setup in itself is decent. So I'm going to give it a yellow rating instead of a red. I had medium time favor. I had low time frame against. Yeah. Slip favor. No, I don't really think I had slip favor either. I think I was slip against. Yeah, there's so much slip on my backside there. Getting short there was not slip favor. Yeah. I would have liked it to be a little bit more slip. I'll give this a slip mid tag, because I did wait for a little bit of a pullback on that slip, but not enough. Like, if I was to get short on this move, it should have been at like 33. I should have been waiting for more of this fucking slip to come back. This one was aggressive, short high of day. Mistakes. I might do chasing, because I think if I was to capture this move again, I should have waited, or I should have got in like 33.75, but well, no, actually, because I think I was early. Like, this is confirmation, the fact that we've swiped to this range, we come up, maybe mid-roll and come down. I'll give it impulsive, because I was too early. I was way too early on that. And my market read was confused, because I was not paying attention to the larger time frame. And then the last trade of the day, 10.17. I think I was chasing, or yeah, chasing. That's a horrible trade right there. Oof, fucking biggest loss of the day. So, medium favor, low against, slip against. That was definitely slip against. aggressive short high of day. I'm going to do 2 mistakes on here. I think I was revenge trading for one. Like I was trying to FOMO catch this move in. And I was chasing because the ideal entry would have been to get slip favor on that move down, and that could have been a good trade. You know, like if I got short at like 34 maybe, 33.75, I could have caught fucking 10 ticks. Like that would have been a great trade right there. But I'm chasing. I'm getting short at the bottom of the range again. So I'll keep that a red rating. Chasing, revenge, and confused. Rough day, but that's okay. I'm honestly very content with taking that big of a loss on the day. My P&L doesn't look as impressive anymore, but that's okay. The account is still alive. And then I might add one for Vex. Let's see here. What am I doing? Tag. This isn't really going to tell me much because most of my trades have been fixed 10 to 15. I might change the colors of these tags. change the colors here. Yeah, that should be easier to read. Let's see. Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, sorry for my cat.
No, you're good. I can't hear shit.
Hey, I'm gonna watch you use the journal for a while
Yeah, no
and
worries.
see if I notice bugs.
Not that I'll have any of these. I don't like my VIX colors. Not that I'm getting much information from this chart anyways, but
Actually, holy shit, I have a meeting in 2 minutes.
yeah, you should probably go do that.
God damn it. Ah, I'll be right back.
Yeah, no worries.
Ah, god damn it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the fucking VIX for now. So why doesn't that work? Do I have to? Why does that? How you doing, Yuki?
Slightly red for the moment, but it's okay, I guess. I mean, it's manageable. And I don't have much time, like $100 now. But I don't have much time to trade because like my girlfriend's gonna get back from work in 1 hour, and I have to get her because we gonna get a new cat tomorrow and
Oh,
get
fuck, no
prepared.
way. That's
Yeah,
awesome, dude.
we always take the most desperate cat possible, and
Yeah.
yeah, we
Oh, that's
fell in
fucking
love
awesome,
with
dude.
one of them.
Do you already have a cat chosen?
Like uh, it's a rescue cat, I think.
Yeah.
She's like 15 years old,
Oh, fuck, man, that's
and
awesome.
yeah, my girlfriend love animals, and she love cat especially, and they always try to save the most desperate ones.
Yeah, they don't get homes, man. Those older cats, they
Yeah,
need it, you know.
that's why.
Yeah. I, I I don't know if you know this, but I work as a veterinary nurse. Have I
Yeah,
told you that?
yeah. I I knew that because like in the post you mentioned that.
Oh yeah, yeah, I did mention that. If you have any like concerns or anything, just shoot me a message, and I don't mind responding. Like if you guys have
Yeah, sure. I would definitely do that.
any concerns or anything,
But
because taking care of a 15-year-old cat, it's tough work. It's not easy.
yeah, but it's pay off because like they give so much love.
Yeah, exactly. They give back way more than they take.
Yeah. And like these cats, my current cats, it's been 1 year since he with us, and we adopted him
Mm.
when he was 13 years old.
Oh,
And now he start to open up, start to follow us, and
yeah,
like this morning he wakes me up with some hugs. So
that's awesome, man.
yeah,
Fuck yeah. All right, well I'm gonna go take a shit, make something to eat,
yeah, man.
and then I'll probably jump in Fat Cat stream.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna tell you like good weekend because like we won't see you again until Monday.
Yep.
And yeah, have a good weekend
Yeah.
and yeah,
You too, man. Have a good one.
yeah, see you.
See ya.
You can obviously add a filter, so if you if you don't want to look at every trade, you can change the date. There's been 6 trades with this combination. So we can see if we need to be aggressive on it. 4 trades at an aggressive combination. So it seems like this scenario may work better being aggressive, because there's just a higher dollar amount, meaning pushing it a breakout. But obviously all these tags are changing rapidly, so it's a great way to just get a rough idea of what's going on. Obviously the A plus thing, it's going to be a little refined, but you can now create your A plus trades and see what they look like. So we know that if we let's just say we're tagging, and this is giving you a preview when I do hover. And let's say, you know, I have these and I'm like, what if I go against the micro range? Boom, it'll pop up A+. And it's like, okay, I might want to take that. See? This combination. Now, the thing is, it needs to be multiple tags available, which is going to be modified. But, and as you create your A's and F's up here, you can just preview what they look like. So, hey, what do I need to see when I got to see an A? And then obviously you can color code it. So let me do an F trade that I know for a fact is an F trade. I'm gonna kind of garbage can that. F trades would be red for me, in my opinion. Right? Don't do that. So an F would be slip against, none against, and it doesn't matter if the window is open or closed. So it's that combination. So now we'll go to the journal. Go to trade 5. That's what an F combination looks like. I can hover over it, but maybe I'm not doing that. Maybe I'm not looking to see what's F's or A's. Maybe I'm just tagging and preloading a checklist, right? So I'll go like this, this, and I go, I'm thinking about going against this range. Oh shit, that's an F. See how it pops up here? So you have two options of like viewing it. This will show you what the tags are going to be like. It's a preview. Kudos to Dream for even thinking of that. And then you can click it here like that. Let's see the stats on it. So it is making some money off 12 trades. But 12 trades for $75 isn't good. Notice how it says it's a 67 win rate. But it's only made $75. That's not good. So, you know, what is aggression going to do? Aggression has made money on this at 375, and we've lost 300 on conservative. Obviously, these statistics do change over time. Open window period 75. Close window. It's still not worth taking. I've already analyzed the shit out of that. Now we can go in here and then we can create an A trade. We know we have a few A minuses. One of my A minuses would be this. This. I have another A minus. Be this. That. Create this other A minus. Shows you what tags are in there. So as we're in here, let's say, hey, there's no ranges. Boom, that's an A minus. So we'll do that. What is the stats on it currently? 10 trades, 70% win rate. Made $1,300. The average P&L is about 138. That's telling me these are mostly one-tick win trades, roughly. I'm in a no slip environment. No nothing. This is dead volatility. 12 trades, 75% win rate. Average trade P&L's been 500, 6 grand. So that's telling me maybe we could get something out of it. But you notice there's several A- trades, and we can kind of see what those combinations are briefly. We can just scroll through here, and it'll just preview our tags. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I think that is pretty fucking amazing to be able to do that. Yeah, you think so too? I mean, just because sometimes these A trades and shit may start to shift. Maybe your labeling is a little off. You know what I mean? So it's several methods of just checking yourself. Because like, you know, let's toggle on the clear confusion. Let's say we do this. It goes A-. Okay, what does clear trades do? 8 wins at 2,200. What happens if I'm confused on that? I'll lose money. You see? Then I can toggle off that. I don't want it in my stats. Or you can put all of these on, just don't check box shit. So maybe you think you have an A+, maybe you think you have a winning combination, but you're thoroughly confused, though. You know what I mean? It's that's probably the fucking my playbooks. How often do you modify your playbooks? I don't really build playbooks per se. I'm seeing where there's winning tag combinations, which are these. This is apparently A+, but it could be many of these combinations. So it's going to have to get modified to show us. Because there's several combinations here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3. There's 4 combinations in here. So if we were to look at one of those combinations, we could do this, calculate it. That didn't have stats on it. We've had 2 wins here worth 2,400. So these are $1,200 trades. And what this is telling me is there's a breakout happening. Breakout of the range, the medium. So as of right now, you know, the playbook, your playbooks are going to be the best way to playbook is just to know what your combination of tags are. So you do your monthly widgets. You look through this shit. You know, Miller and I spent 3 hours going through his tags. He's not in here the other day, but spending about 3 hours really comparing every tag, building out filters, just spending a lot of time just going through this type of shit. A little bugged. Going through all of these combinations and just figuring out, like, where are you seeing outliers? Where am I seeing a large sample size? Reload the page. Doesn't seem to. update as fast as I would like it to. So I'm looking at like where am I seeing large sample size? Here, here, here. And what is the dollar amount? Where's my large sample size and does it have a large dollar amount? Whether that's a win or loss. And then I want to analyze, why am I losing? Why am I winning? What are the highest sample rates? And remember, in the first month, you're not going to have that much. So what looks somewhat promising, you want to keep leaning into. Then typically you'll arrive at something like this where it's like these combinations seem good, these combinations seem bad. So what you can do is now you can create the A's and F's or B's, and you're down here. This is new, so how often am I going to modify this? Probably once a month. I'm probably going to modify this once a month. So your playbook, if you're going to build, if you normally playbook based off of charts, what you want to do is create tag parameters. You want to make sure that all the nuances on that playbook trade are within the tags. You got to also understand this is an incredibly new system of like playbooking trades. There's nothing out there like this. So the ability to just sort of create these things. Let's look at like yesterday's tags. I haven't actually finished. Like I never really tagged yesterday. Let's actually go to another day. Like this, calculate 2 trades at a $150 cumulative. Not much sample rate. Calculate this. We'll take off the aggression check box. Two trades at 150. We did make 750 on that combo yesterday, so that's telling me that combination hasn't been done much. 5 trades at 1800. Average $360, so this is like a 2-tick winning combination. We only made a tick on it. Here, 5 trades have been executed here, 360, 1800. So this is about a 2-tick winning combination, but we did make 1650 on it. So yesterday we did get more out of that tag combination, and it's only calculating the slip, the means, and that's it currently. Now, if we add the conservative tag, it's going to go down to 2. So conservative trading off this combination is yielding way better results than aggressive. So that can be the difference on how I want to push it. So I can toggle that off quickly to get rid of that statistic. So I think as far as like modifying playbooks and all that, probably once a month. The thing is, your sample rate is so small in the beginning, and obviously as we use this journal, a lot of us start over in collecting statistics. So I used to do a lot of this on journal ticks, but I could never derive the information that I get from this. Period. Another realm of opportunities and understanding that I've not really ventured down. So this is going to really dictate shit. So I believe the playbook trades are going to be in the gear icon, which would be these. You can name it whatever you want. You know what I mean? The thing about naming it is it's going to get bigger up here. Can you sort all your trades P&L trade-wise and see which tags give you the best profit trade? Yeah. I've already done that. And it's not one, there is no one tag. It's a combination of all of this. These combinations, and one of these boxes can have multiple combinations. All these combinations of tags, because you got to realize the more tags you're putting, the more you're filtering it, the less sample size there is. So it's that shit's going to get fractured. That's why I have this very complex filter here. Ooh, when I zoom in, it unhides the series. That's interesting. It's a bit buggy. So I'm not going to zoom in. But we know that... Let me actually...